Hello everyone and welcome to Cyber War. My name is Victor. This episode is part of the Cybersecurity course for beginners. And in the last episode, we installed 4 out of the 5 things in Tier 1, as explained in my GitHub. And we failed installing the Linux subsystem for Windows. It's some issue with virtualization and some other stuff. I couldn't get ahead of it. I tried a lot of things that I read, and we're gonna just move past that until we go to the get to the bottom of it. I have it working actually, but on my my Windows, this is my Windows subsystem, or Linux subsystem for Windows. This is my Windows bare metal, but in the virtual box, for some reason I can't get it to work. Anyway, but that virtual box is only for like filming. Normally you should install it in your bare metal, but whatever. Anyway, so today we continue and we're going to install 2 more browsers and run some comparisons between them. And one is Brave, which is your regular privacy browser, nothing crazy. It does have a VPN, but okay. And it doesn't track you and all that. And the other one is the Onion router, which you can use to access the deep web. And we're going to run them side by side and check for various things so you can understand the difference. For some reason burp started. Not, you can't see it. It's all right. So let me install Brave also. Now, as a piece of advice, if you're running Tor, never run it on your like operating system on the bare metal. Run it inside a virtual machine because you never know what you download there. So this is the install for Tor. Figure connection. Connect. No. Connect. We're gonna have some fun in the following episodes. Maybe make our own Tor website and all that, and scan the network on Tor. But in the meantime, okay, Windows keeps spamming me with their things. Okay, stop. Alright, so this is Tor. It defaults to DuckDuckGo and English. Perfect. And I'm gonna go somewhere where I know for certain I can find actual links. And this is Brave being installed. I'm going to our friends from Luxembourg, the Computer Emergency Response, or no, Computer Instance Response Center. And they are running this Mastodon instance where I see some notifications on threat actors, on malware, and you find like Onion addresses there that you can test. And it's only malware, so and database leaks, so we don't risk looking at some other things like I don't want to show dead people or worse things that are on the dark web. So I'm just showing companies getting hacked is what this channel is about, not the other horrible things that are out there. Anyway, so is Brave done? Yeah, it is. All right. Skip not default VPN. Start free trial. Oh. Oh no. What? No. Oh no. So look up 26. Start free trial. Oh crap. Now I need to open the email. Alright. 1 second, I'm opening it in the other figure. Webmail. You guys can see what I'm doing. I'm logging into my actual email. Oh no. Okay, so it asks for a card, and I need to pay starting November 28th. Okay, I was under the impression that it had a free VPN, no? Okay. Yeah, okay, so you guys are getting Opera also. Anyway, I'm not gonna put the card in there. It doesn't matter. So let me show you the difference in terms of Tor. So for example, here, this is the page that Ransom Look has on Lockbit. Okay, nothing fancy. You can open it in any browser. Okay, not an issue. But, and you can also open the screenshots. But these addresses, which end in Tor, in onion, sorry, .onion, are not accessible from your regular browser. You need the onion router. This is a screenshot, okay? On this one, on the other hand, sorry, I like it how they add there. They added anti-DDoS protection. Oh my god. Interesting. Okay. Very cool. Anyway, so that's one of the differences. And then one issue is that with Tor, your IP address is hidden. And you're kind of certain of it. But with, see, there is no way to, like, it's all US, whatever. If you see anything that says Belgium anywhere, then you know I'm they are onto me, but no. Maybe they got something with the JavaScript part. No. Okay. It seems like Lockbit has some kind of a problem, but okay. Do you know I'm doing a video? What's wrong, guys? So we're already 11 minutes in. Let's try another one. Let's try these new guys, new blood hunters, or they are actually somebody else reincarnated. Here it is. So Lockbit is available, okay? But it works on the Onion router, okay? It's the yeah. If you put it here in a regular browser, okay, it says it's blocked, but it would never open it unless you somehow put like an extension to put it in the Tor network. So it doesn't work in your regular browsers, okay? Let's also install Opera. I mean, why not? We're oh, this one is interesting. This is a great website. It looks like the stock exchange. I'm sorry, but I'm not cheating for the malware actors. I'm really not. It's horrendous what's happening. But you have to admit they are using technology better than some. For example, here they have 1.3 terabytes of data. So, wow. Okay. You're not supposed to do this, okay? Unless you're a law enforcement guy or a threat hunting company or a security researcher or a hobbyist or basically anybody, because people are training AIs on this data, so it's a gold mine. It's like, how can you stop them, and can you really blame them? If the data is there, people are gonna use it. So yeah, I'm only worried that the AIs are going to become cynical if they read all the corporate emails that people are sending each other. Anyway, sorry for what's happening here. Opera. Okay, until it installs, let's play with the IPs a bit. So now I'm in Romania. Wow. Okay, this is not my real IP, guys. Don't. And we go new identity. Yes. Oh. What happened here? Accept all the things. Wow. Okay, let's look at the new IP. And we are in Denmark. But somehow in the Netherlands. And in Germany. Back in the Netherlands. Back in Germany. Cool. Opera is installing 35%. We're at minute 17. Okay. I'm not sure if you guys would prefer me to record everything, and then just cut the dead minutes between installing whatever, but to Opera in the taskbar, yes, I put everything in the taskbar, I don't care. How many browsers do you guys think we can make? So on top of all these, there's also the browsers that come with the proxies, like with Burp and with OWASP Zap. Maybe, I'm not sure if OWASP Zap comes with the Burp. Certainly does. I think it does, huh? Anyway. Done. And start browsing. And where is it? Enable. Okay, it should be enabled. Let me test the website browser leaks for a while. I'll pause the video for a second. All right, so on browser leaks, it seems to hide the IP well. It placed me somewhere in Sweden. But just for your awareness, this doesn't open onion links either, so of course it doesn't, but just to play with it. So this is basically my IP in wait, what the hell? might be in Firefox, and the other one is might be in Opera. I'm not gonna do, sorry, not in Firefox, might be in Tor, and the other one is in Opera. I'm not gonna do the other browsers because it's just gonna see my show my home IP, so I don't care about it. I mean, I care. That's it. I don't want to put it on a video now. Yeah. So why am I doing this with the IPs? I'm not I'm not hiding the IP, right? I'm just trying to protect my home network from getting banned by Cloudflare or anybody else. Because if you do security testing, you'll send some payloads and you'll be banned, and you get your house IP banned, and then nobody in the house can watch Netflix or whatever. So this does not protect you if you do illegal things. If you do illegal things, there are so many ways they can trace you, and a court order will, or even the police directly in some jurisdictions, will find you like immediately. This is not an illegal hacking course, okay? We're doing this by the book. You are security researchers, and we're working to build a career, have a nice, cozy job, have an interesting one, never bored. I was never bored in my, like I'm already 15 years in. So, yeah, that's it. So don't see these IP addresses things as, wow, I'm so cool, now I can do illegal stuff. Don't, okay? It's just to um, make sure your internet is still working after you deploy some of the programs that you'll see in the next few days. All right, that's it on the browsers, I guess. So we have our Tor, we have Opera, we had Firefox, which is our main driver. I'm a Windows and Firefox guy, but I do know my way around Linux. And we have Brave. Let's close that. That's it. This is the browser install video. For Firefox, you have it on the previous in the previous episode. It's point and click, really. Nothing fancy happened so far. It's gonna get interesting when we connect everything and we connect this to the proxy. You'll see that in the next episode. Maybe I'm gonna do burp next. We'll see. All right. That's it for now. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. We're building a security course in public, even if it takes me the next 2 or 3 years. I'm joking, but not really. I'm gonna try to build on top of each episode so that if you start, oh yeah, this is the playlist. Basically, here it is. I need to reorder them a bit, and these are like 1, 2, 3 are like pilot episodes. I just started like in the middle of the things. It has no head, no. So these are like pilot episodes, and then this would be pilot episode 1. This is episode 2, and now we're doing episode 3. That's it. Stay tuned, and that's all for now. Thank you. Goodbye.